Hai semuanya, di video kali ini kita mau mengenal berbagai macam kosakata yang dapat kita gunakan ketika kita berkunjung ke restoran ala barat. Going to a Western restaurant. Mari kita mulai. Western restaurant. Western restaurant. Artinya restoran makanan barat. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, miss. We sell spaghetti, hamburger, pizza, steak, hot dog, and french fries.
Okay, I want 1 spaghetti, 1 hamburger, and 1 french fries.
Noted, miss. What do you want for drink, miss? We have cola, coffee tea, and mineral water.
I want 1 cola, please.
Okay, miss. Please wait for your order.
Can I have the bill, please?
This is your bill, miss. Thank you.
See the menu. See the menu. Artinya melihat menu. Sell. Sell. Artinya menjual. Want. Want. Artinya ingin. Drink. Drink. Artinya minum. Have the bill. Have the bill. Artinya meminta bon. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Artinya spaghetti. Pizza. Pizza. Artinya pizza. Hamburger. Hamburger. Artinya roti isi burger. Steak. Steak. Artinya daging steak. Hot dog. Hot dog. Artinya roti isi sosis. French fries. French fries. Artinya kentang goreng. Cola. Cola. Artinya minuman cola. Coffee. Coffee. Artinya kopi. Tea. Tea. Artinya teh. Mineral water. Mineral water. Artinya air mineral. Sekian sampai di sini dulu semuanya. Terima kasih.